Hello and welcome to the morning podcast with Asavari. Here we share all the important details that you need to know before taking a trade. So let's take a quick glance at global market. Wall Street surged on Tuesday with Dow Jones Industrial Average ending more than 2% higher as investors bought energy and material stocks and looked beyond the recent rise in coronavirus cases. Asian market appeared to set to shake off the heightened tension between US and China and the spread of coronavirus, with stock futures pointing to early gains on Wednesday. Trends on SGX Nifty indicate positive opening for broader index in India with a gain of 85 points. Nifty futures were trading around 10,698 level on Singaporean exchange. On institutional front, FIIs and DIIs both sold shares worth rupees 1565 crore and 649 crore respectively on July 14th. Lastly, let's take a look at few stock specifics. Today, 9 stocks are under F&O ban on NSE, which names Steel Authority of India, Century Textiles, Equitas Holding, Sun TV, Vodafone Idea, Punjab National Bank, Escorts, Canara Bank, and Mindtree for July 15th. In Yes Bank, the bank's rupees 15,000 crore further IPO will open for 3 days on July 15th. The bank has garnered rupees 4,098 crore from anchor investors on July 4, a day ahead of its following public offering. IndiaMart FPI's increased stake in company to 15.15% in June quarter from 12.24% in March quarter. In Wipro, the quarter 1 profit rises to 2.8% while the IT services are down by 5.3%. And lastly, the results that we are expecting today are Infosys, Bandhan Bank, L&T Infotech, Federal Bank, Kaveri Telecom Products, Engineering Company, Mactar Minda Corp, Rolta India, Uttam Galva Steels, etc. among others. Thank you. That's all from my side. I hope you have a safe trading and stay safe during this COVID-19 period. Thank you.